Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. This van is fully loaded with, it's got the power trunk release, hit it twice. It's got the power sliding doors as well, you can see they will operate. And it's also got the auto start, which I'll show you here momentarily. All very nice features to have. We'll get right to the conversion. This is a brand new ATS rear entry manual ramp. Very easy to operate. You can see I can operate this whole system with 2 fingers. Open up the clamp, flip it over, take my 2 fingers again, repeat the process. And it's got a handle on the driver's side, it's got a handle on the passenger side. I'm going to use the handle on the passenger side. Look here, I've got 1 finger on this. I'm taking this to the ground using 1 finger. No, I'm not a muscle man. These are just that easy to operate. They're spring assisted. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can lift one of these ramps. Very easy to do, very little to go wrong. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide, has an 800-pound weight capacity. The entrance is about 56.5 inches, just a little over. The interior is about 57 inches. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. So this van is set up perfectly to run for whether it be your family or your business. It will operate either one. It's got a headliner, looks brand new. Got the rear air controls, got the rear air vents in the back so everyone can get some air. Has 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front. So this van can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. And these seats here in the middle are about 21 inches apart. What a lot of our customers will do is we'll remove 1 seat. We have seats that'll fold up out of the way. There's an upgrade charge. There's all kinds of different things we can do to accommodate, make this van accommodate your needs. Tell us what you're looking for. Let us go to work for you. Let us get a van that fits exactly what you need, because there's no one size fits all. The dash is in excellent condition. This van pretty much inside and out looks about brand new. Got the steering wheel controls, so whether it's you driving or your family or some of your employees, they keep their eyes on the road. They can actually adjust the steering wheel controls or the radio and all that good stuff from the steering wheel. That's nice. Has the backup camera. Dual climate control. The driver can be 1 temperature. The passenger can be a 2nd temperature, and the passengers in the rear can actually be a 3rd temperature. So you can have up to 3 climates going in this van at one time. Very clean van. So once you've got all your passengers secure, come back out. You're going to reverse the process. Again, look at this, 1 finger. You're going to take this up with 1 finger. Clamp these down. And for any reason, say you want to use this van commercially, as a taxi, you're going to have people in and out of it all the time. What you can do with these doors is hit the off button, which turns the power doors off. They're all now manual doors. So you don't have to wait for them to open and close. You don't have to worry about them breaking and costly repairs. And it's just like a standard van with standard doors. That's always an option for you. If you like the power options, you can open and close from in and outside the van. Very clean van. I'm going to do a walk around. The windows are tinted. Keep you nice and cool in the summertime. Give you a little bit of privacy. Has a 17-inch alloy wheels. I'm going to assume these are the original tires. So, you know, just not much use on these tires at all. And I tell you what, it's really hard for me to find a single dent or scratch on this van. I'm not saying there's not a single small scratch somewhere or something, but this van looks brand new. Very clean, as you can tell by this van and all of our vans. We only buy top of the line stuff. I don't buy wrecked vehicles, I don't buy salvage vehicles. It's got the roof rack there, so in case you need to do any traveling. Open up the van. Very clean inside. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke going on with this van. Before I get to the interior, I forgot one thing. I want to show you the auto start. Hit it twice. Honks at us twice. The van fires right up. So this time of year, if you want it nice and cool with the AC, once you get out here, fire it up. If you want to, in the wintertime, when it's nice and cold and get it defrosting, that auto start is wonderful. Power seat over here on the driver's side. It's got the leather on the exterior of the seats. You can see all the dummy lights work, and those of course all go out. Inside the van, if you want to make the doors back power, put in power there. You can see I can open them with the touch of a button. The rear seats are very clean. They look like they've hardly ever been sat in, if ever. I'm sure they've been sat in before, but they look brand new. You can shut the doors. Passenger seat's very clean as well. Show you the backup camera. Very nice safety feature to have. And you can see the current miles are 13,592. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Also has a full tank of gas. It's a nice feature to drive off the lot with. So let's look under the hood. Under the hood has a 3.6 V6. Everything looks great under here. No signs of any damage. No signs of any water. We inspect these vans very carefully before we buy them. This van comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Dodge, a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty on the engine and transmission from Dodge. Look underneath here, it looks brand new, very clean, no signs of any rust, no signs of any leaks. And the van also comes with a 3-year, unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. So top to bottom, front to back, this van either meets the specs for the Dodge warranty or the conversion warranty. So you are set to be covered. So let's get the van on the highway. I want you to hear it run. Before I go get the van on the highway, I want to show you we've tested all the power mirrors, power windows. This is not some van you show up to look at and it's got a bunch of issues I didn't tell you about. It's not how we do business. I cannot find a single thing on this van that isn't darn near brand new, perfect condition. I mean, this is AC works great. I'm sitting here on a warm day. So now let's get it out on the highway. I want you to hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them up to highway speed so you can see they're roadworthy. I want you to hear the engine run hard. I want you to hear the transmission shift. So that is my goal on the highway run here. See, the van gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. I'm going to back it down to about 60, set the cruise. You can see the steering wheel is not jumping back and forth. We've got our tires in balance, so that's definitely a good thing. And this van cruises down the highway like a brand new van. Very smooth. I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Please keep in mind, ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive feedback reviews on eBay and no negative feedback reviews? Because we do. We have an amazing reputation. I cannot stress to people enough, buy from someone with a good reputation, especially if you're buying sight unseen from across the country. Do they charge you any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Almost every dealer does that. We do not. That is not how we do business. Do they offer free delivery to your home or business anywhere in the lower 48 states? Because we are the only company that does. They do not. When you combine our service with our pricing, with our free shipping, no one can come within a couple thousand, a few $1,000s of the product and price we can offer. Nice hard brake here. That's my water jug you heard falling, not the van. But gotta have my jug out today. Pretty warm, so I should have kept an eye on that regardless. So if you ever want to come see this van or any of our vans, please always call and set an appointment with us. I know your time's valuable. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. We definitely don't want to miss you. Also, please be sure to check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. There's that little water jug. Gotta have that with me. There's all the power switches. Very clean van. Again, pretty much almost brand new condition. If you ever want to see this van, you know, before you invest all this money into it, I understand that. It's a lot of money to invest sight unseen. I think this video does this van justice. But with that being said, say you're Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Dallas, St. Louis, you want to see this van before you buy, give me a call. We'll work with you. Maybe I can put this van on a trailer, bring it out to you, let you see it. If you like it, we can do the transaction. We can't work for free, but we can work for a very reasonable rate. So call us, talk with us, we'll work with you. I'm the owner, so I decide how flexible we can be, and we try to be flexible for our customers. After driving the van for a while on a hot day, temperature gauge is right in the middle, no check engine lights on, nothing like that. So as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.